In this tutorial video, you will learn how to export the attribute table. In the panel that appears after opening the attribute table from the layer options in the layer box, download options are available in the export menu. It is possible to download the attribute table as Excel, PDF, JSON, and CSV. Clicking on the Download as Excel option will download the all saves as Excel. Clicking on Download as PDF option will download all the saves as PDF. Clicking on Download as JSON option will download all the saves as JSON. Clicking on Download as CSV option will download all the saves as CSV. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.